Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Ibrahim Joji and I am a master's student in Carleton University. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share an idea that has the potential to transform Canadian agriculture while contributing to sustainability efforts. Canadian farmers face a growing challenge: soil degradation and erosion. These issues threaten agricultural productivity, increase reliance on chemical fertilizers, and reduce water retention in soil. According to studies, soil erosion costs Canadian agriculture millions annually in lost yields and increased input costs. While biochar is a proven solution for improving soil health, its high cost makes it inaccessible to farmers, especially small-scale operations. This gap between the need and affordability is what I aim to address. The root causes of this problem are twofold. Current biochar products rely on expensive feedstock and inefficient processes, driving up prices. And also, distribution channels often fail to reach smaller farming communities, leaving many farmers without access to these beneficial products. Canada's abundant agricultural and forestry residues, such as crop waste and wood byproducts, remain underutilized despite their potential as sustainable feedstock for biochar production. My solution is simple yet impactful: a low-cost biochar product made from locally sourced feedstock that is tailored for Canadian farmers. This product offers improved soil health as biochar enhances nutrient retention, reduces erosion, and increases water holding capacity. It is also affordable by optimizing production processes and monetizing byproducts like bio-oil and syngas. I can reduce costs significantly compared to other competitors. Finally, it is sustainable as the venture supports Canada's net zero goals by sequestering carbon and reducing waste through circular economy principles. Currently, biochar market in Canada is dominated by high-cost products imported from other regions or produced using expensive methods. While these products deliver results, they fail to address the affordability issue faced by most farmers. My product stands out because it uses local feedstock, like forestry residues and agricultural waste, reducing material costs. It also generates additional revenue streams through byproducts like bio-oil and syngas, enabling lower pricing for farmers. Finally, it focuses on accessibility by targeting underserved farmers and other communities across Canada. I aim to offer this product at a price point that is 20 to 30% lower than existing biochar products on the market. This pricing strategy balances affordability for farmers with profitability, while having profitability for venture by leveraging efficient production methods and revenue from carbon credits and other byproducts. In order to test the demand for the supposed product, a website was made that showcases the benefits of the biochar with respect to improving soil health and carbon sequestration. The webpage would provide necessary engaging aspects to engage visitors. Tools used to make the webpage would be Bolt, Netlify, etc. The target audience were primarily farmers and agricultural firms and secondary complementers and investors that could aid the venture further. My strategy revolves around three key pillars: feedstock optimization by utilizing abundant local resources like agricultural waste and forestry residues to minimize raw material costs, and also efficient production by investing in advanced pyrolysis technology to maximize output while reducing energy consumption and emissions. Thirdly, revenue diversification by monetization of byproducts such as bio-oil and syngas while entering carbon credit markets to generate additional income and to further aid the venture. To reach farmers across Canada, I plan to use the following acquisition channels. I would collaborate with organizations that already have strong relationships with farmers to distribute the product effectively. I would also work with initiatives like Natural Resources Canada IFIT program or regional economic growth programs to subsidize costs for farmers while scaling production capacity. Finally, I would build awareness through farmer workshops, trade shows, and digital campaigns that highlight the benefits of biochar for soil health and sustainability. To make this venture a reality, I am seeking support from all of you in the following ways. For investors, seed funding is needed to set up production facilities, pyrolysis equipment, and cover initial operating costs. Your investment will enable us to launch this venture while delivering measurable environmental impact. For government agencies or NGOs, grants or subsidies through programs like IFIT or provincial initiatives that support clean tech innovation in agriculture are needed. For industry experts, certification bodies, etc., assistance is needed with certifications for a biochar product to ensure compliance with industry standards and access carbon credit markets. For farmers or agricultural cooperatives, collaboration to refine the product based on your needs and ensure that it addresses soil health and challenges effectively helps us greatly in forming a better product. For corporate buyers and carbon credit markets, partnerships for purchasing carbon credits or off-taking byproducts like bio-oil or syngas will help us greatly increase profit. For feedstock suppliers, collaboration from carpentries, agricultural firms to ensure supply bio-waste generated from their processes in order to produce biochar production at low costs. Some reasons that enable me confident to see the success for the venture is that Canadian farmers face soil erosion and declining soil health, creating demand for affordable, effective solutions. This biochar product meets that need while offering added benefits like carbon sequestration and sustainability. Using local feedstock and monetizing byproducts like bio-oil and syngas, we lower the production costs, enabling a competitively priced product with strong profit potential. This venture supports Canada's goals in agricultural innovation and carbon reduction, increasing the eligibility for government support, partnerships, and the ability to access carbon credit markets. I believe that this venture has a potential to create a meaningful change in the Canadian agricultural world while contributing to global sustainability efforts. With your support, I can empower farmers, reduce waste and sequester carbon, and build a profitable business model rooted in innovation and impact. I would love the opportunity to discuss this idea further with each of you and explore how we can collaborate to make it a success. Thank you so much for your time today. I look forward to connecting with you soon. Thank you.